Hello everyone and welcome to Sri Laya's channel. Today's lunchbox recipe is a quick and easy curd rice and potato fry for your little ones. I'm sure they'll love it just like my little one loves it. So let's get started. Start by chopping 2 medium-sized potatoes into small little cubes. Add 2 tablespoons of chili powder, half a teaspoon of turmeric and 1 teaspoon of salt. We are starting with the potato fry because this is going to take some time to cook, and while it cooks we can prepare the curd rice, and that way we'll save a lot of time. Add about 2 tablespoons of oil, give it a good mix and add about 2 cups of water. Place it on the stove and let the cooking process begin. Now while that's cooking, we will put that aside and we will start prepping our curd rice. I'm using a tadka pan here, but you could also use a frying pan. Start by adding about 2 tablespoons of oil, and when the oil is about a medium heat, add a teaspoon of mustard seeds, and when they are just about to splutter, add about 10 to 15 leaves of finely chopped curry leaves. Once the curry leaves stop spluttering, add about half a teaspoon of hing to finish it off. I've taken about 4 cups of boiled rice. To this I'm going to add the tadka now. If you've added salt already while cooking the rice, then you don't need to add salt again. After you've given it a good mix, add 1 finely chopped onion, a handful of coriander leaves and 1 green chili. And because this is for kids, we're not making it very spicy, so we're going to keep it light. Add 2 handfuls of pomegranate. The more the merrier, children love it. And of course, pomegranate's packed with nutrients, antioxidants, and it has antimicrobial properties as well, so it makes it really good for curd rice. After the ingredients have all mixed well, it's time to add the curd. For 4 cups of rice, I've taken 3 cups of curd and half a cup of water, beaten well. Now this ensures that the curd rice is not very hard by the time the kids have lunch, but it's still a little bit moist. It's now time for us to go back to the potato fry. You should see by now that the water has reduced, and at this stage, add a handful of curry leaves and give it a good mix. From this stage on, keep tossing the potatoes. Don't let them sit because that will fry them too much. Keep tossing them around until the water is completely absorbed and the oil starts to seep out. With the potato fry now done, it's time to move to the snack box. For snacks, we tend to keep our little boy on fruits. Fruits are a great source of vitamins and minerals. They get to enjoy a variety of flavors and textures, and it's lots and lots of fiber. For today's fruit salad, we'll use a banana, a portion of marshmallow, and some fresh pomegranate. You're all done in under 30 minutes, and it's time to get packing. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like and share, subscribe, and click that magic bell icon because that will tell you when my new videos are up. God bless you and have a wonderful day.